Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check out the leaderboard on the Bybit application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Then go to the home page by tapping on the home button down below, which is the first option. After that, as you scroll down, you can see this leaderboard section in the right side of the screen in the middle. So here you can find the leaderboard. You have a bunch of subsections that you can check out: inverse perpetual, inverse future, spot, and so on. If you are interested in any of the users, you can tap on them and get to know them. Here you can find the leaderboard in more details. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.